Have you thought about using a vitamin C serum, because you've heard it can reduce the signs of aging? Well, stay tuned. In the next 3 minutes we are going to look into the top 10 benefits of using it on your skin. Hi and welcome to 3 Minute Health. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe if this video is helpful. We can all make sure we have a healthy, balanced diet, but that is no guarantee that your skin is getting the nutrients it needs. For this reason, there is a growing market for products that apply vitamins and minerals directly to the skin. We have listed the benefits in no particular order, so we'll just start at number 10, hydrating. Vitamin C can help prevent your skin from appearing dry and flaky, by helping to stop transdermal water loss. Number 9, even skin tone. Vitamin C can reduce inflammation. This gives your skin a more even complexion. Number 8, reduce eye bags. Because vitamin C serum is good at keeping your skin hydrated, it can be an effective way of reducing dark bags under the eyes, by rehydrating the skin underneath. Number 7, promote collagen. The collagen in your skin depletes over time, and vitamin C is very good at promoting the production of new collagen. Number 6, reduce hyperpigmentation. Applying a vitamin C serum directly to the face can reduce the production of melanin. When your body produces too much melanin, it can lead to an uneven skin tone, and red patches can appear around age spots. Number 5, reduce sagging. Time can be a cruel mistress, and for some of us, gravity is just as bad. Because vitamin C helps in the production of collagen, it is great for keeping your skin firm. Number 4, healthy glow. The combination of reducing uneven pigmentation and rehydration can give your skin a healthy, fresh, youthful glow. Number 3, reduce free radicals. Sunlight can be a major cause of free radicals in your skin. These free radicals can damage the skin cells and increase the appearance of aging. Applying a vitamin C serum can render the free radicals harmless. Number 2, heal wounds faster. Vitamin C can help the body replace damaged cells faster, along with reducing inflammation. This can help skin injuries heal faster. And number 1 is sun damage. Because vitamin C can help the body make new skin cells faster, reduce redness and inflammation. It's ideal for applying to the skin if it's suffering from sunburn. Most people can use a vitamin C serum without any problems. But if you've never used one before, or have hypersensitive skin, make sure you do a small patch test first. Leave on for 24 hours to make sure you don't suffer from any minor irritation. You can use a vitamin C serum with any other beauty product, just make sure you apply it to a clean face. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.